Hey guys, it's Manny Rataul and welcome back to another video. I want to wish everyone watching this a happy New Year's and a happy 2022. And this is going to be a quick video. Essentially, I'm just throwing up my New Year's resolutions out onto the internet so you guys can hold me accountable. What often ends up happening is that we use this new year as a clean slate and we set all these ambitions and goals, but a couple weeks or maybe even a couple months after, they sort of just fall off the tracks because we don't have anyone to hold us accountable. So I figured if I put this on the internet, it's going to stay there forever, and I'm sort of forced to fulfill all these goals and go through with them. So I got essentially 4 New Year's resolutions slash goals, and they are around YouTube, my health, finances, and time management. And I'm going to start off with the first one with YouTube. My resolution is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and by uploading videos consistently, at least one every 2 weeks. So around about 24 videos in a year. I started off 2021 pretty strong. I was uploading a video about once every 2 weeks, and then about when March hit, I sort of just stopped altogether. I could say I had excuses, I could say I had reasons, but ultimately I did have the time and I just didn't do it. And I felt that even with the 9 videos that I have and with 64 subscribers, I'm actually quite shocked I was able to get 64 out of 9 novice videos. I feel like if I just keep pumping them out and just making consistent and proper content, I can keep that viewership increasing, I can get that subscriber count up, and hopefully the production value and just the way that my videos look get better in time. So my second New Year's resolution is around health, specifically resistance training and cardiovascular health. Now, I've been telling myself for the last 6 years that I want to improve my cardio by starting to run, and it's been 6 years and I haven't really done anything about it. So I figured, you know what, 2022, this is the time to set this goal and get better at it. Specifically, by the end of the year, I want to be able to run 5 kilometers in 25 minutes. Now, for some people watching, that might be very easy, and for others, it might seem like it's unattainable. But I feel like if I just run consistently, I have a good workout plan and a training regimen, I should be able to hit that. Also, I have started running previous to the new year, and I will be uploading a video on that of running 30 days in a row, so stay tuned for that about in mid-January. And in addition to that, I want to keep consistent with my resistance training, so specifically weight training. I've always had a good regimen. I've been able to get in at least 3 to 4 workouts every week, but the areas where I've been lacking is my diet and my recovery. So that means I have to take into account that I need to have proper sleep. And I know for a fact in 2021, I probably got maybe 5.5 or 6 hours of sleep per night. I want to bump those numbers up to maybe 7.5 and 8 hours, because at the end of the day, when you do want to grow and you want to build muscles, it's not just the training, it's the recovery and the nutrition you provide your muscles. My third resolution is to maximize my investments by sticking to a strategy and holding on to that strategy consistently. My investments will cover both crypto and traditional stock market trading. However, I will be focusing on investments, not so much trading. So my focus is not going to be to make a quick buck and return in about a week or a month. It's to grow the equity and hold on to that investment for at least 10 years down the line. So most of my investments will probably be around the blue chip cryptos, so like Bitcoin and Ethereum and maybe some of the altcoins, and primarily ETFs and, S&P 500 stocks in the stock market. And my fourth resolution for the New Year's is time management. You can have all the goals and all the resolutions set, but if you don't have a schedule or a system to accomplish them, they're essentially useless. What I really want to do is focus on narrowing down these goals and blocking out time in my schedule so I have enough time and more time than last year to spend with the people I love the most. Because at the end of the day, it's the connections that we make in life that ultimately mean the most. Money, creating a YouTube channel, they're all fun and they're all great, but it all comes down to the people that you really love and want to spend time with. So that will mean time blocking, scheduling my runs, scheduling my resistance training, and scheduling when I film these YouTube videos on a particular day, and just have a system so it's easy to follow. I build a routine, and then after a while, it doesn't sound like work anymore. It just becomes a part of my everyday life. So guys, those were my New Year's resolutions and goals, and I'm expecting you guys to hold me accountable to them. If you want to see my journey and how I'm progressing through these goals, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to see every video as soon as it's uploaded. I want to wish everyone the best for this new year, and I hope everyone accomplishes their goals. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.